What's good, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video on the Brazil FX trading. So guys, in this episode I'm going to be talking about the 4 golden rules that took my trading from being a broke to being profitable and making millions. So guys, if you are new around here, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out whenever I post a video. Let's get started. First things first, guys, the secret to being a profitable trader is having a set of rules, and you have to make sure to always follow your rules. Rule number 1, having a good strategy. So most of you guys know me, I'm a price action trader, and under price action I have so many concepts that I trade. So let me show you one of the concepts. It's very easy. It has a stop loss, it has a take profit, and it has conditions that I follow. So this is my screen, as you can see, traders. So the first concept, one of the easiest concepts that I trade is support resistance. So what I do is mark out my support zones. So this is my resistance up here, as you can see, this is my resistance, and I drag this to future, and then I mark out my support just like this. So traders, now this part up here acts as my resistance, and this down part acts as my support. So what I'm looking for, I'm always looking out for fake outs. I'm looking out for fake outs, and I'm going to be showing you what fake out do I look out for. Our price plays, and then it breaks out. So this is what I always look out for on my support or either resistance. Is called a fake out. How does a fake out look like? A fake out is whenever you have price breaking out with one big momentum candle, trapping people that are buying, and then the next candle starts selling, and it's selling back into our resistance, meaning this is a fake out on a bigger time frame than this one. Right now I'm on a daily time frame, so meaning if I look at the weekly time frame, definitely this is going to be a weak rejection like what you see here. So what do I wait for? Now here I wait for the next candle. I always take my trade on the next candle, but the confirmation that I want is the first 2 candles, this candle to break out and the next candle to close from back inside. So I wait now for this next candle. That is when I take my trade and put my stop loss. So let's wait for the next candle. So you wait for until this candle closes. So you play. So the next candle closed. So meaning I'm taking my trade exactly here. When price pushes back in here on this next candle, putting my stop loss here, as you can see, and putting my target down here at a recent point, as you can see, guys. As simple as that. As you can see here, I'm targeting 376 pips, risking 90 pips. But again, most of the times price never turns back to take you out, guys. This is one of the easiest strategies that I use. So this is my first number 1 rule, always having a good strategy. I'm a price action trader and I use price action concepts. My rule number 2, guys, is being aggressive with the markets. So what do I mean by this? The main goal in trading the Forex market is to make money, but you can't make money while playing it safe. So most of the times I see traders, when they come into the Forex market, they play it safe, trading on demo accounts, coming back to real markets, using 0.01, and they be in that cycle quite a long time, and then they forget the main purpose of you starting to trade is to make money in the Forex market there. So for me as a Brazil, I always like to play it aggressive, and the reason why I play it aggressive because I trust my concepts that I use to trade in the Forex market. Now this brings me to rule number 3, is being defensive. You have to be aggressive but at the same time defensive to protect your money, guys, to avoid blowing your money, to avoid losing too much money in the Forex market. You always want to keep your money, guys, and this always comes down to risk management. So my strategy that I showed you in my first 1 rule, it has a stop loss always. I'm never trading in the Forex market without a stop loss, and I'm always going to have a realistic stop loss. So if I'm risking 30 pips, I have to be making around 70 plus pips. I'm always risking, let's say, 1% to make 2%. I'm risking 1% to make 30%, and I always have to make sure I have a stop loss. I'm never trading naked in the Forex market, guys. However much I'm being aggressive, I have to be defensive. This brings me to my last rule, which is rule number 4, is always being open to learning more and more new things. Traders, for you to be able to trade and be profitable in the Forex market, you have to be someone who is consistently learning. Because remember, the first thing, money lessons never end. It's not like in schools where you learn about chemistry and then those things remain there. If you want to keep on making the money in the Forex market, you have to continuously learn. You need to be able to upgrade your system every single day. The way these machines are upgraded, so they can perform better. The same way you need to upgrade your system, and you can do this by learning more. Again, whatever you need to learn is there, and it's free of charge. The first thing, we have YouTube University. YouTube is full of free information about finance, investing, whatever. We have Instagram University. And there are people that are posting about Forex continuously on Instagram. There is TikTok University. Free information, people are posting out strategy. Me alone, when you check my TikTok page, you're going to see I'm giving out strategies, I'm giving out motivation, I'm giving out all these free things, and people are learning from them. So traders, you need to take these things seriously. This free information, you shouldn't take it for granted. Because remember, guys, you reap what you sow. When you put in energy, you are going to receive the same energy. And don't think you're going to come into a market that is being controlled by the banks. These guys are always upgrading their system and think you can beat them. They're always going to look for ways. They're always going to upgrade their ways. They're going to manipulate the market. So if you're not there learning new things, guys, you're going to always lose money. That's why the 98% of traders always lose money in the Forex market, because they're lazy. They're not learning new things. You need to be able to upgrade, to cut out all distractions. You should be the person who wakes up in the morning, first read the Bible, do whatever you have to do, but don't check your phone first. Most of you guys check your TikTok first, Instagram first, and you're putting in those information, those TikTok videos, the funny videos into your brains. So you don't even leave space to learn new things, because your brain has been already consumed by TikTok and these funny things. See, traders, so this has to change. Lastly, guys, this is a bonus. You need to back test. Before even go further, guys, I use Xness as my broker. Use the link below to get Xness. And when you sign up with Xness using my link and deposit a minimum of $50, guys, DM me and I add you to my VIP group so that you can be able to make money with my signals using Xness. Again, deposit $50 after using my link to sign up, and DM me on my Telegram. I'm going to be adding you for free so that you can make money in the Forex market. So lastly, guys, you need to be able to journal your trades. Journaling is one of the best. This is one of also the best things. Whenever you're journaling your trades, writing down and everything, this quickens your process of understanding the algorithm, how it works, how the trading algorithm marks traders. And this, you're going to be a profitable trader, guys. Again, the greatest traders in the world, they have a set of rules that they follow. Ever since I wrote down my rules, I've seen a breakthrough, guys, from making $100 a day to making 1,000 and even more. So guys, you need to take the step right now. You need to be aggressive to make money. You need to be defensive to keep your money, and also you need to have a good strategy as your number one rule, because when you have a good strategy, you're going to be confident with your rules. And also you need to learn new things every single day. So those are my 4 rules, plus journaling my trades. I can do journaling on my computer, or I can do it in my book here every time when I trade in the Forex market, guys. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Let's get this video to more than 1,000 likes, guys. Liking this video is for free of charge. Just tap like. Make sure to subscribe if you're new on here, and if you have been already here, guys, thank you, and I'll see you in my next. Peace.